Hi everyone and welcome to Skin Mart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA body therapy. The PCA body therapy is a therapeutic formulation designed to dramatically increase moisture levels while also improving skin surface texture. The use of lactic acid enhances the skin's natural moisturizing factor, reduces dead skin buildup and inhibits the deposit of unwanted pigment. Additional brightening and soothing agents help to reduce visible aging, breakouts and hyperpigmentation affecting the body skin. The key ingredients in this body cream are lactic acid. It contains 12%, found in milk and sugars. This ingredient moisturizes and smooths the skin. Also shea butter, which softens the skin and maintains moisture without greasiness. All up, your skin will feel exfoliated, hydrated and nourished. Body therapy is suitable for all skin types, especially dry, rough textured skin, aging skin and breakout prone and congested skin. It's also great for people suffering from keratosis pilaris, which is a very common skin condition that causes dry, rough patches and tiny little bumps, usually found on your upper arms or on your thighs and cheeks. To use body therapy, you would apply liberally to the entire body immediately after bathing or showering. May be applied morning and evening for superior moisture retention and smoothing benefit. If you would like to purchase PCA's body therapy, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Also now at Skin Mart, we are offering face-to-face skin consultations which you can organise online. Until next time, have a great day.